So I did a random story one morning and I was like, help, I need my house to smell good because the Bath & Body Works plugins weren't really cutting it anymore. We all want our house to smell like we're wealthy people, like we're extremely rich. Wealthy! And I did a little experiment. Covered all the basics. So we have a plugin, we have a random cool find. We all know about this one. I have a candle company. It's Disney themed. Okay. Oh my God. I have a Glade plugin, another plugin. Don't you worry, all you crunchy mamas, you crunch pots. I got for you an essential oil kit. Duh. So you can get everything that I am going to talk about in this video through my blog. So make sure you check that out. I put it in the little highlight above on my Instagram page. And I got one of those Linktree accounts now. Okay. My house smells like I'm a multi-millionaire. Okay. Enjoy. All right, so we're gonna try the Gain fireworks because we're going away for a couple of days and I wanted to see if it smells when we get back. So I bought these little packets. I threw some beads in the packets and now we're gonna put them around the house. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay. All right, it's got the laundry scent to it. If we like that, if we like the laundry scent, clean, it's a good scent. All right. You know that I'm a huge Disney fan. Anyway, this company, Walter and Rosie, they're a candle company. And what they do is they create scents based on the Disney park themes. Wait. This is laundry detergent. All right, this is a room spray. Oh, the Polynesian. Oh, a fancy hotel. Must be $1 million to stay there. All right, update on the Walter and Rosie Candle Company. Candles are going. Melts are melting. I got one down here, one upstairs. Candles are going. How does it smell in here?
Delicious.
Okay, laundry detergent smells really good. Make your clothes smell nice or else you're cheap. Don't mind this look. This is I went and got my hair done, spent a lot of money, but couldn't afford a blowout. We're doing Glade today, which I'm a little skeptical about because like I said, I think like the Glades are like the strippers' hoo-has. Sometimes they just do like a psh, psh, it's like that Victoria's Secret. Anyway, right, so the Glade was like, not that strong. Not my fave, so I threw it over here. So we should just stop the whole competition because Febreze won. How does Chloe do it? Like this? But I wanted scents that I don't have to do any work for. I want to be able to walk in my house, open the door, and get a woofing smell of rich. Rich people live here. What I'm going to do is put them in the bathroom so other people could do work. Let me tell you, this is not even the best part of it. You know the incident that went down with Khloe Kardashian? Bitch tried to steal my spotlight. I was not having it. And they sent me one. They sent me a blinged out bottle like who the hell I am. It is so crazy to me that I got one, that I have dreams that everybody in the world gets one and I'm not special and I'm insignificant because that's how I feel. I'm like, how do I deserve this? I'm not worthy of it. But you know what? I am. I am. This will be in my cabinet right next to the Emmys because that's how significant it is. Okay, so there was no way that I can possibly do a video and not touch on essential oils because that's apparently all the rage these days. I happen to like this one the best. So this is the one that I went with. It's called Plant Therapy. And they have some other cute natural organic based products too. They're a small family owned business. That's kind of why I went with them. All of their products are 100% pure essential oils. It's natural, it's organic, it's the only company that has a kid safe line of oils. Multi-cleaner, multi-surface cleaner, natural organic for all you crunchy women. They have all different types, make you feel a certain way, make you feel good inside and happy. I do the old school things. And check out this bad boy. This is nice. I like this color. So this is their diffuser, you call it. I have it running for about an hour and it does smell very nice.
Hi. It smells so good.
It smells clean, like really clean.
It smells like chocolate.
It doesn't smell anything like chocolate. This will probably go in our bedroom because it smells refreshing. Okay, so this product, PURA, is a device you plug in and you can control with an app.
Wow, fancy. This is fancy.
PURA is my new fave. It's my new plug-in. It's been right here in my foyer. So the smell is really nice, very clean, crisp, like a really fancy hotel. Really going to be number one on my list.